In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of using MetaTrader 5 step by step. This guide is especially tailored for beginners, so let's dive right in. After logging into your MetaTrader 5 app, as demonstrated in my previous tutorials, you'll be taken to the main interface. In the trade section, you'll see key account information such as your balance, equity, and free margin. This section helps you monitor your account's overall performance. Now, move to the quotes section. Here, you can view a list of available financial instruments. To add more assets, click the plus icon in the upper right corner. You can then choose from different categories like forex, which shows all the available currencies, or crypto, which display popular cryptocurrencies. For example, if you want to add gold/US dollar, simply search for XAU/USD. Click on it and it will be added to your quotes list. To place a trade, select a currency or asset, such as EUR/USD, and click on it. Then choose New Order. You'll see Market Execution options in your header. Click on it. Here, you will find buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. Market execution allows you to place an immediate trade. The buy limit and sell limit options let you set predetermined levels at which you want to buy or sell. You can adjust the trade size or lot by clicking the plus and minus buttons or entering the lot size manually. Once you are ready, click buy or sell to place your trade. If you want to analyze price movements, hold down on a currency pair and select chart. The chart shows real-time price action. In the top section, you can change the time frame, M5 for a 5-minute chart or H1 for 1-hour chart. MetaTrader 5 is known for its precise and detailed charts, making it easier to perform technical analysis. To enable one-click trading, open a chart and look for the sell and buy buttons at the top. After accepting the terms, you'll be able to place quick trades with just one click. To place a buy limit or sell limit, go back to the New Order screen and choose the appropriate option. Enter the desired price level and click Place to activate the limit order. For example, if you want to sell at a specific price, select Sell Limit, enter the price, and confirm by clicking Place. When placing a new order, you can also add a stop loss and take profit. These options allow you to set automatic closing points for your trades. Adjust the values by using the plus and minus buttons. To close a trade, go to the trade section and choose the position you want to close. Select Close Position, and the trade will be completed. To review your trade history, here you can see all your past trades, helping you track performance over time. That's how you can use MetaTrader 5 step by step as a beginner. If you follow these instructions, you'll quickly become comfortable with the platform and start trading with confidence.